Hello, and welcome to this checkmate in 2 chess puzzle made by P Klett in 1879. Black has the king, rook, pawn and bishop. White has the king in the corner, a pair of bishops, the rook, knight, queen and a pawn. It's white's turn. Can you see the checkmate in 2? Checking the king by moving your queen to e1 won't get you a mate in 2, but it is a mate in 3. The king's forced to move to b2. You can then check with the queen, forcing the king to move back down. Then you can move the queen in for the checkmate on the back rank. Moving the queen to f4, checking the king is only a mate in 3 but not 2. The black king can move up to b2. You can then do a reveal check by moving away the bishop. King is then forced to move to a3 and you can move in with the queen to checkmate in just 3. Moving the knight to b3 is another mate in 3. The king can move up to b2. You can then take the rook with your bishop. The black king takes your bishop. You can move the queen in to d4 to mate in just 3. Moving your rook to f1 won't get you the mate in 2. The black king can move up to b2, and then move your queen up to a8. Black can't move any of the other pieces, so the king is forced to take the bishop, and then you can move your queen down to g2 to mate in just 3. Okay, let's take a look at the solution to this one, so pause the video if you need some more time. To get the checkmate 2 for white, you need to move the queen to e7. If the black rook takes your bishop, you can move your queen back down to e1 to do the mate in 2. If black decides to move their bishop, you can again just move the queen down to e1 to get the checkmate. If black tries to block the queen with the rook, you can just take the rook with the queen to do the mate in 2. That's the end of this video. Please like and subscribe and see you next time.